Hey guys, MA3 here, and we are fishing, right? We got some worm bait, and like a highway, a dam. That's good. Where are the worms?
They're in the bag.
Put the worms in the bag.
They're fine.
Oh crap. Pick it up by the non-styrofoam part. What the heck was that? Reopen that. I'm gonna see the worms. Oh, that sound. Look at the worms. How fat this one is. Jeez Louise. He's a fatty, all right. Okay, so yeah, we're trying to fish. And it looks like nobody here has caught anything yet. So hopefully we can be the prize winners. Where's our bobber? What the heck? No, I see it, but it's not picking up on camera. Guys, I'm pointing right at it. It's not showing up on camera. Crap, it's bright outside. I can barely see what I'm filming. I'm gonna go walk over there. I will be. Dad, what is that? It's moving. Oh, so if you guys didn't know, I cut my foot a long time ago, or not a long time ago, like 3 days ago. I cut my foot real bad, so it's been kind of hard to walk around because my toe hurts. Left toe. Cut it open on concrete. Now let's see if you guys can see the bobber. There it is. Should have went to Slight Run, where we were last time. Off camera, we went to a good fishing spot. And we saw so many bass and. Whoa! Look at that spider. Watch this guy. He big. He big guy. Watch him. Right there. See? Watch. There's nothing. What? That bobber's getting real close to the water. I mean the shore. It's not even bobbing, guys. So I don't know how long this video might be. Might be 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I don't know. Probably my limit for my longest video right now would be like 20 minutes or like 10 minutes. That's better. He a big fella. Look at that fool. Sorry if this is a boring video, guys, but just hoping it can become fun. Whoa. Oh, look how red my hand is. Whoa, what the heck? But I'm just hoping we can find something so this video isn't as boring as it is. It really doesn't look like anybody has caught anything. My dad's just standing over there, so. Oh crap, okay, it's time to get down from here. I almost just tripped. Oh crap. Litter. My favorite. Oh crap. Has there been any even nibbles? That sucks. Help me get something. Like I said, guys, so I'm gonna go to, I have a different website or a different app that lets me kind of edit my videos. Even though they have barely any editing, I can just play music or anything. I can do it. I did it on one of my testing videos, but I can do that. So I'm probably gonna turn on my comments, since YouTube always turns off my comments. I'm gonna turn back on my comments, and then if we catch a fish, I'm gonna link it in the comments. I'm gonna put the time for you guys to skip to, so I will know where. Oh my gosh. If you guys didn't know, I hate spiders. They're really gross. And I don't know if a lure or something just hit me, but I felt like a spider. Oh my gosh. These spiders are ginormous, guys. I don't think I have arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is like long. Oh crap. Like a big fear of spiders, which I don't have. Instead of fishing with Limping 3 or fishing with Colton, this should be ranting with Colton. Rants. Should we recast it? Okay. What the heck? A mosquito just landed on my thumb. What the heck? I didn't know there's mosquitoes out here. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Okay. Hello, guys. Got a new haircut. Not as bad anymore. But hello. Is that positioned right? Sorry if a spider crawls over the lens, guys. That might happen. Not really. I don't think. Right? Oh crap. Oh, I just broke my leg. Oh, okay. I'm back. And ready for action. Still nothing, guys. Probably gonna keep filming about when the 20-minute mark hits. Wait. If we don't catch anything, I am going to name this video the boringest video ever. No, the most boring video ever. Okay? And then in the description, I'm gonna say don't watch unless you wanna be bored. Dad, we're gonna spend out here all night long, right? Night fishing. That our lure's gone. Ouch, I almost broke my leg.
I just blew up to the shore. Uh-oh, look, it's starting to go out now. Like maybe something's pulling on it a little bit. Leave it in there. It's a good sign.
Okay. Hello. I can barely see this. Is my camera even still on? Yes, it is. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Dad,
Yeah.
you think they can see us?
Maybe.
Darn it, if only the sunlight wasn't shining on us. Okay, they can see us perfectly. They can see like the bag and stuff. So that means they can see me. They can't see you though. Oh crap.
Hold on, leave that one.
I am.
See how the bobber's starting to go back out? Leave it a little bit. Something might be pulling on it. It might have something.
Fish!
Get it. Good timing.
Yeah, good timing, right when I said.
You got one.
I got one?
Yeah, one.
Heck yeah!
Bring him in. Little bitty baby bass.
Oh, he's on that.
Bring it over.
Dang.
Get your leg. camera, show your bass. Little baby bass.
It's a baby bass. Am I filming myself? I can't even see that.
I gotta get him.
Oh, I was filming my forehead this whole time.
Got him?
Yep, there he is. Yeah, so, well, we're not the type of people who keep the fish. We throw them away. Or not throw them away. We throw them out. Did you just swallow fish? Fish spit? That bird up there. So, okay, so it depends of how many fish we catch. So I'm linking that. Oh, what's going on? I'm linking that in the comments. Dad, there's a big spider next to you. Look at him. Look at that fool. He run. So, what are you gonna do with him? Give him a little water break. Put him in the water for a sec. Really? Oh, poor fishy might die. There you go, he's let loose, right? He's free. Oh my gosh, my toe. Okay, cast another one out. I'm not like a pro fisher, guys, so I don't know how to cast. I suck at fishing. Dude, can't even count how many spiders I've seen. That might be the 1900s. And no, like not 1990s or something. Okay, fish one. I'm just glad I'm not a fish kisser. Okay, now I'm gonna name this, oh crap. I'm gonna name this video Ranting and Fishing with Colton. I should get a new intro or something. Hey you crazies, it's a limping dog here. Hello. No, that doesn't work. Okay. Okay guys, I might post 2 videos. I'm just gonna leave this off, so I'll post 2 10-minute videos, so it'll be a 20-minute video technically, but since you're watching 10 minutes at a time, it won't feel as long. So goodbye guys, that was 12 minutes long, and I'm probably gonna do another video, so I'll see you crazies later.